pleasant evening. As you can see, there's been a terrific atmosphere here. There is great well, there are plenty looking forward to seeing this. A capacity crowd here.
Well, the atmosphere, Peter, certainly doesn't feel like a friendly. We all know about the quality we have on show here. They can get, and I hope the players will oblige them.
He's had it nicked away.
Isak.
As simple as you like, the outcome utterly inevitable.
Yeah, and all engineered, Peter, by some smart running and movement. That's already something to admire, but how about the pass? Just wonderful. Loved it.
So that's two now without reply.
Well, they're very much the better team at the moment, Peter, and no doubt will be looking to cause even more damage here.
And it's Pablo Sarabia. Nelson Semedo. Oh, it's Pablo Sarabia. Lovely feet. Matthew, and the shot! Byrne did well to emerge with the ball. That's a contest to keep an eye on.